Google's next Pixel lineup has just leaked in a big way, giving us a very clear idea of what to expect from the Pixel 10 family. And yes, there's a lot to talk about. Thanks to a fresh batch of images and details shared by the trusted leaker Evan Blass, we now have information about not one or two, but for major devices in the Pixel 10 series, the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Let's start with what's grabbing everyone's attention: the design and color options. The new leak showcases a family photo of all four phones lined up side by side, each wearing a different color. The base Pixel 10 pops in a flashy blue color, which is a fresh departure from the Pixel 9's palette. The Pixel 10 Pro comes in a stunning jade green, while the Pixel 10 Pro XL shows up in a classic black. As for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, it appears in a subtle gray, which some may find bland, but the sleek design makes up for it. These new colors not only make the Pixel 10 lineup stand out visually, but they also show that Google is finally taking user feedback seriously when it comes to aesthetic appeal. The blue Pixel 10, in particular, is already being praised for its bold and vibrant look. But it's not just about appearances. Google is also making some hardware upgrades. One of the most exciting additions is the inclusion of built-in magnets in the Pixel 10 devices. These are rumored to support new wireless charging accessories known as Pixel Snaps. Unlike Apple's MagSafe, these accessories reportedly won't have magnets themselves, but will benefit from the phone's magnetic system to enhance wireless charging speed and convenience. All four models are expected to support this feature, making charging faster and more efficient across the entire lineup. This signals Google's intent to create a stronger accessories ecosystem, something it has struggled with in the past. Let's talk cameras, because Google always puts a lot of focus there. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL are expected to feature a high-end triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an astonishing 100x ProRes zoom. Yes, 100x. Google is aiming straight at Samsung's territory with that one. The regular Pixel 10 won't be left behind either. It'll feature a 48-megapixel main camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, along with up to 20x Super Race zoom. That's still very solid for a base model. The foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold's camera specs weren't detailed in this leak, but given its Pro label, we can expect it to be competitive. Performance-wise, all models will be powered by the upcoming Google Tensor G5 chip. This new processor is expected to bring major improvements in both speed and energy efficiency compared to the current G4. This will be crucial in helping these phones deliver longer battery life while managing bigger and better displays. Speaking of displays, the Pixel 10 and 10 Pro will share a 6.3-inch screen size. However, the Pro model will have a Super Aqua display, which means better brightness and clarity. The Pixel 10 Pro XL will stick with a large 6.8-inch panel, the same size as its predecessor, also of the Super Aqua variety. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is set to feature an 8-inch main display and a 6.4-inch cover screen. These sizes put it right in competition with other foldables like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6, and combined with the Tensor G5 chip, this foldable should offer impressive performance and battery life. Now, let's talk about how long these phones can last. Google's Extreme Battery Saver mode could push battery life up to 100 hours on the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, and 10 Pro XL. Even the foldable model can reportedly last up to 72 hours on a single charge. These are very competitive numbers, especially considering the high-end displays and performance users will be getting. But Google isn't stopping with just phones. The leak also revealed the Pixel Watch 4, which will be available in two sizes. There's also a new color option coming for the Pixel Buds Pro 2. These accessories are expected to be announced alongside the Pixel 10 lineup, possibly in August. Overall, this leak leaves very little to the imagination. The Pixel 10 family looks like a significant upgrade in design, performance, and features. Whether you prefer the compact Pixel 10, the high-end Pro models, or the unique Fold, there seems to be something for everyone in this lineup. So, which Pixel 10 model are you most excited for? Let us know in the comments. And if these leaks are anything to go by, Google might just have one of its strongest product lineups ever this year.